There are two ways of solving the root of an equation, either through algebra method or graphical what method. So in this question, we are told that you should find the equation whose roots are 2 and what and 5. Okay, s is equal to what? Let me say solution. Our s is equal to what? 2 or what? And s is equal to what? It's equal to what? It's equal to 5. Okay. So these are the two possible solutions that can arise. Okay. So other thing is to first of all, this can also be written as s minus 2 is equal to what, 0, or what can say s minus 5 is equal to what, 0. Okay. Remember, we are told to find the equation of the root of what of the of 2 and 5. Okay. So since these are the possible equations that can be given, so you can say our s minus 2, if you multiply them together, s minus 5, everything is equal to what? Is equal to 0. Okay. This s, you multiply this s you also multiply this minus 5. This minus 2 we multiply this x, and minus 2 we multiply this minus 5. Okay. So in that instance we say our x s times minus 5 is what? Minus 5x. Minus 2 times s is what? Minus 2x. Minus 2 times 5 is what? Is plus 10. Everything is equal to 0. Okay. So s square minus 5s minus 2s is what? Minus 7x plus what? 10 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the required equation for this question.